Have you ever wondered how digital marketing works? How it manages to capture your interests, your desires, and even your whims so accurately? Well, prepare to pull back the curtain and take a peek at the wizardry behind the scenes. Digital marketing, in its simplest form, is a way for businesses to reach their customers through various digital channels. Sounds easy, right? But there's a lot more to it than you might think. The first component we're going to delve into is search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art of optimizing your online content so that a search engine will show it as a top result for searches of a certain keyword. Think of it as the digital equivalent of having your shop in the most bustling part of town. Next up, we have content marketing. This is all about creating and promoting valuable content to attract, engage, and convert your audience. It's like having an engaging conversation with your customers, making sure they're not just nodded off in the corner. Then there's social media marketing. It's not just about posting a cute photo of your cat or a mouth-watering picture of your dinner. It's about engaging with your audience, building relationships, and making your brand part of their social circle. Email marketing, another vital component, is far from dead. It's about creating personal, relevant, and valuable messages right into your customer's inbox. It's like sending a letter to an old friend, keeping them updated on your latest adventures. There's also pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. This involves paying a fee every time your ad is clicked. It's like buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn them organically. Last, but certainly not least, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. It's like recommending a great book to a friend and getting a thank you note in return. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have a background in marketing or business. Can I really learn all this? The answer is a resounding yes. Digital marketing is not about your educational background, but about your willingness to learn, to experiment, and to adapt. In fact, there are countless success stories of individuals from completely different fields who dove headfirst into digital marketing and are now leading the industry. They saw an opportunity, seized it, and are now reaping the rewards. You can do it too. So why wait? Enroll in our comprehensive digital marketing course today. It's affordable, it's flexible, and it's your ticket to a rewarding career in one of the fastest growing fields in the world. Unleash your potential and step into the exciting world of digital marketing. Your future self will thank you.